Hey guys! Today I'll show you how to use the VN Video Editor mobile app to give your videos a more professional look. So let's get started. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for VN Video Editor. This is the VN Video Editor app. Tap Install. Once it's installed, tap Open. Now tap New Video. As we're making video, keep it video-based and tap on Save. Select your video clips and tap Next. This is our video on the timeline. Let's first set the correct aspect ratio. From the bottom menu, tap Crop. Here, you can choose 9:16 for shorts or reels, 1:1 for square posts, or crop your video to any custom size. Since I'm creating a YouTube long-form video, I'll choose 16:9. Tap the check mark to confirm. Now, suppose I want to remove the part at the end where the girl falls down. There are two ways to do this. Method 1. Tap Trim, then drag the handles to shorten the clip. To apply it, tap the check mark. You can see our clip is trimmed already. If you don't like your changes, you can always tap Undo. Method 2. Move the playhead to the point where you want to cut, then tap Split. The clip will be divided into two parts. Simply select the unwanted part and tap Delete. Our clip is trimmed already. I will undo it. Now, let's add transitions between the video clips. Tap the plus icon in between the clips. Here, you'll find many transition effects, such as black, white, zoom, blink, vertical, and many more. Feel free to explore and choose the one you like. I'll use the black transition. To apply it, tap the check mark. Transition is applied. Now, let's add some background music. Tap this music track. From here, you can add music, sound effects, or even record your own voice. Let's choose music. Then select the type of music you like. And pick any track you want. Tap on Use. You can also add fade in and fade out effects. Tap the check mark to confirm. Finally, drag the music slide bar to the length of your video. Let's check. Now, let's add some text. Tap this text track. Then choose any style. Type your text. For example, cute girl. You can change the text color, style, font, and many other settings. To apply it, tap the check mark. Drag the text to position it anywhere on the screen and resize it to fit your video. You can also add images or stickers. Tap here. You can upload your own images, or you can open elements to add built-in graphics. Let's add this subscribe button. Drag it to the position you like. Now let's preview our video. Don't forget to stretch the slider to the full length of your video. Otherwise, the element will disappear in the middle of the video. Once you're happy with everything, tap here to export. You can keep the export settings on auto or adjust them manually. I'll leave them on auto. Now tap Export again. It will take a few seconds. Done! Your video has been saved to your phone's My Files folder. If you want to learn how to create AI images, AI videos, and social media content using just your mobile phone, click one of the videos on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.